we got a little timer here.
Okay.
So 5 things in your life that are irreplaceable, and it doesn't have to just be beauty, right? It's life. Things that you're just like right now. You're like, sorry, undupeable. You can't give me another one. I need this. And you have to give a little reason.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I have to go into a reason.
Yes.
Okay.
And we're giving you a minute. So like not, this cup, why? Because it's cute. Like, why is the cup cute?
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
So try to get through 5. You got 1 minute. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, Celsius, because your girl needs energy, okay?
So the whole thing?
Yes, I'm obsessed with Celsius. If I feel like I'm dying, then I take a Celsius and I can be on. And my son still will wake up at night, and so I'm still tired a lot of the time, and drink a Celsius, I'm good to go. Okay, MEJ creaseless clips, obsessed. They're so cute. They have little rhinestones on them, just good for behind the scenes pics, and they're matching and girly. A Mason Pearson brush. I think everyone needs a Mason Pearson. It smooths the hair, makes it shiny. Nothing does it like a Mason Pearson does.
Invest in yourself.
Yeah, exactly. And then Tresemme Silky Shine Spray. It gives that glass-like reflective, like how I was just saying I love shiny hair. It gives that glassy reflective quality to the hair, which I'm obsessed with.
Post or pre? Do you spray it both?
Both, before blow drying or afterwards to finish. Yeah, so good. And then the Comeback Kid from Fenty Hair, which is a bond repair. Use it instead of conditioner.
Okay.
Yeah, and can I keep going?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just wrap it up.
Yeah.
You use shampoo only, and then you don't put conditioner in your hair in the shower. And then after you get out and towel dry your hair, you put in the Comeback Kid, and it's like a leave-in bond repair, and it's so good. And it leaves the hair so shiny and strong, and it repairs damage instantly. I'm obsessed with it.
Wait, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's really cool. There's no product like that that I've tried.
Do you want to know what my favorite thing about that is? Is
what?
Actually if I need to take a quick shower, I literally just wash my body and shampoo my hair, and I don't have to wait for the conditioner.
God, then you need it.
That's why I like that, because I'm like, oh, okay, and then I just.
You should try it.
Okay,
did I bring it? Oh, I brought some for you.
Wow.
Yay.
Amazing. I'm so excited. That was really good.
Okay, good.
No, those are really good explanations. I threw a couple in, so that's why, you finished out. But those were good explanations and really good ones. So
thank
you nailed Undupeable. Thank you so much, Justine. Why don't you just give yourself a plug for socials where people can find you?
I'm Justine Marjan on every platform.